Every drop of water travels through hundreds of kilometers of underground pipelines. Pipelines we never see, pipelines that quietly carry the lifeline of our cities. Finding these problems often means digging blindly, disrupting cities, or sending people into dangerous spaces. India needs a safer, smarter way to see below the surface. Solinas is transforming how cities inspect and maintain their underground lifelines, using robotics and AI to look inside pipelines without excavation and without human risk. Solinas robots travel deep inside pipelines, capturing high-resolution visuals and sensor data. Every crack, every blockage, every hidden defect revealed. AI analyzes what the human eye can miss, turning raw visuals into precise defect logs, telling utilities exactly where to act, when to act, and how urgently. Instead of guesswork, cities get clarity. Instead of large-scale disruption, they make targeted repairs, saving time, money, and water. When robots enter pipelines, people stay safe. When leaks are found early, water stays where it belongs. Solinas is making the invisible visible, helping cities protect water, infrastructure, and human lives. With support from the Titan Design Impact Awards, Solinas integrated two of their inspection robot technologies with the Kolhapur Municipal Corporation's water supply management operations in Maharashtra. Kolhapur represents a common urban reality, abundant access to water sources, but inefficiencies in the system cause major challenges in water delivery to citizens. Through this project, saving millions of liters of water that now reaches homes instead of getting lost in the system. Through the Design Impact Awards, Solinas is proving that robotics-led sanitation works at scale in real Indian cities. By supporting Solinas, the Titan Design Impact Awards is enabling cities to build and manage smarter, efficient, resilient urban water systems.